Today what we're doing is create some solar shields for our rear windows here in our Prado. These cost me $5 from Kmart, super cheap. And the plan is today we're going to fit those in here so that we can start getting some of this hot heat out of our car. I've got a fridge running in the back there. I want to lower the temperatures in here so that my fridge doesn't work as hard. Let's do it. The first thing we're going to do today is actually trace around the window here and get a bit of a rough cut so we can then cut this out, the shape of the window, and start to modify it. I'm just using a Stanley knife to cut through along here. This is a really temporary design, and then we're going to refine it a bit more on the car in a second. Here is our first cut done. You can see it's a bit rough, but that's fine because I'll show you why in a minute. And you can see it fits nicely around the area that we've chosen. Cool. I've now chucked that stencil up against the inside of this car window, so you can see what it's going to look like a little bit here, and you can see we've got some areas to trim off. So now what I'm going to do is take a pencil or a pen and just mark out these corners here and really refine this shape. And here we go, here's the final result. Let's chuck this in the car and have a look at how it looks. Here is the final product. You can see it's nicely fitting and it's nice and flush there. I haven't used any stickers or anything to stick it because it actually fits in and sits under the edge here really nicely. So you don't actually need to have anything to hold it. If you want though, I have kept a little suction cup. So if you want, you can install the suction cup on an edge or on a couple of edges by making a small cut and using that to hold it in place. But in this window, I don't think we need it, which is great. I'm super duper happy with these results, guys. For $5, this is probably one of the best things you can do to keep the heat out of your car. If you enjoyed this video, guys, feel free to check out other ones that we've made on the channel, exploring and doing mods. Guys, thanks so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye.